Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Oil channel. Today I'm working on today I will replace the engine air filter and the cabin air filter inside the car. This is part of the A127 maintenance schedule. Engine air filter is pretty straightforward. Just two clips, one here, and then just lift it up. And here's the filter. That's the old one. And here's the new one. I will put the link for all the parts I use in this video in the description below. I think it's about time to change. Usually what I like to do is got a vacuum cleaner to clean up all the dirt inside, the loose debris. You can see like some of this right there. That's how it go in. So this like a, I don't know what they call it, diagonal line is here. So make sure it's flush. And then now like make sure this like have a tap here, push it into the slot here. Same thing on another side. Have a slot there. Alright, seems like it's in. Once it's in, it should just like, the thing just close by itself. And then I'll just put the clip back on. Alright, air filter done. Let's move to the cabin air filter. For cabin air filter, it's in the glove box here, the passenger side. So I sort of have a damper arm here. There's a damper arm for the glove box. I believe like you push it down here. It release it. Here's the hook. Just hook up to this like pin right here. So now I can squish in both sides like this too. Squish it in like this way. It will tip down. Now like you can like pull out this side like this way. And here's another one. Here's like have a two C channels. So let's see. Here is the door for the cabin air filter, and here's two tabs. One here, and then squish it in, pull it off, and take this out. And that one show like where the airflow go. So the airflow arrow should be pointing upward. When I install the filter, I need to pay attention. Is this one coming out? That one kind of overdue as well. Alright, that's the old one, and here's the new one. Time to change it. Alright, here's the new air filter. Make sure the air flow pointing down. So now I can do the install. Just push it in. And then install the cover. I can install the in, and then make sure the damper arm hook it back. Alright, so I hear a click. Alright, not pushing down. Now everything's good. Close it. Make sure it's, it works. That's how I replace the cabin air filter and the engine air filter. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for all the support. Your view, your click, your comment mean a lot to me. Please subscribe, leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I will put the part I use in the link in the description below, and then I will also put the link to the how to do the oil change on the same Civic, how to do a tire rotation, and then install the underguard for the engine because the old one got damaged by hitting something.